mēs vēl skatāmies kaut kāds uzkods, ko ņemt līdz to 30 stundu brauciens. Braucam uz Goa. Ballīte. Okay.
So can I?
Test number 1.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. Let's see. And your opinion?
It is really good.
You like?
Much better than Spanish and the
Spanish
Indian beer. Yes, really.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Give the girls try.
Yeah.
Taste it?
Come on.
Come on.
Really?
No?
Just take
You don't
a
like beer?
taste.
No, I don't
Try.
drink it.
At all?
No beer. The other drink, not the beer.
She drinks only vodka, whiskey, rum,
Okay.
but not beer.
But not the soft stuff. Not the
We don't
soft
have
stuff.
any more jump.
It's a crazy traffic here.
Yeah, seriously.
Hello.
Just wait.
I'm Aris.
I'm just free. And you are from
Latvia? Yeah.
This is a Latvia beer.
How was the journey?
So far, really great.
Really great.
It's just incredible, yeah. It really is.
Incredible India.
Yeah. And
Latvia beer, so drink it.
you can try Latvian beer actually now. How's
Thank
this?
you. Yeah, nice.
Nice?
Different from Indian beer.
Yeah? How different is it? Actually, what's the difference? I haven't actually drank Indian beer.
I find that a little more bitter. I find the Indian beer a little more bitter.
Yeah,
Yeah?
this is
Yeah,
mine
this
one.
is very mild.
Very
Actually.
mild.
It's actually good.
Ah, okay, cool.
Nee, see, Sudhari, this is not that bad. This is what I have drank over here.
She is also not
like,
drinker.
ah.
Not drinker. She is also not drinker. She cannot compare it with.
She doesn't know what it is.
Indian or-
I have no idea
She never.
the beer taste. I have no idea.
Indian beer also. Never.
Never, I've never tried.
This is her first time.
So it's your first beer?
yeah.
Oh.
First sip.
Congrats.
Very cool.
India. And not from India.
Okay, not from India.
Šādi mazgā zomas vilciena stilā.
चमका चमका मेरिया मैं चम चम करके चमका लावा ठंडू पाम च नच दे पैजन थमका चमका चमका
Sienā šodien mēs puspudeli izdzērām ar paštaisītu šņabi. Pēc tam man uzsauca tomātu zupu. Tagad mums iedauga pusdienas un saldējā mums ir maizīts ar ievārījumu. Mums tagad taisa arī labs kolēģis būtu. Mēs esam uztaisījuši ballīti, mums cilvēki apēr cienājumu ar zelta aliņu, cienājumu ar šokolādēm, latvešu poļu un viss kārtībā ballīti griežās un šis ir tikai sākums.
लावा ठंडू पाम च नच दे पैजन थमका मेरे ही चर्चे मेरी आही कल्ला जग सारा करदा नी मार मार वे ये दुनिया पित्तल दी ये दुनिया पित्तल दी ये दुनिया पित्तल दी
Ashmish
tikko izstāpām Goa vilciena stacijā un atvarījāmies no draugiem. Un šajā momentā mēs nezinām, ko mēs braucam tālāk. Hotels,
Man kaut kur ir adrese.
hoteļa adrese apmēram ir zinām. Jā, apmēram ir zinām hoteļa adrese, un tad sarunāsim, centīsimies pa lēto dabūt tāks līdz turienē.
It's around
20 kilometers.
No, 25.
No, 20.
Yeah.
We check in the internet.
Kalangut is
We check in the internet is 19, 20 kilometers.
no. Kalangut is 20 kilometer, and this is Kandolim, separate area.
No, I think it's in Kalon.
Vilciena brauciens mums ir aiz muguras. Tikko esam ieradušies hostelī un jau pirmā komplimenta tēja mums jau iesniegt. Dzīve iet uz priekšu, ziņosim tūlīt tālāk, kas notiek.